There was a time when I used to hate salespeople. The people who were into sales, I used to hate them a lot because I was always thinking that how pushy they are. But when I got into a sales role, then I realized that sales is everywhere. Yes, I'm right. You heard me right. Whenever your kid asks you to bring them chocolates, bring them ice creams, take them on a walk, or maybe to the playground, they are doing sales. They are convincing you, they are persuading you, they are doing negotiation with you. And believe me, friends, this is one profession which AI cannot replace. I do not know about the future, but I don't see that person to person sales will be replaced, because sales is an art as well as science. Why it is an art? Because you use your creativity to persuade someone to turn the yes button on to buy your solution and product and technology. And it is science because it has certain set of processes. There are 5-6 processes which you need to follow. Those are step-by-step processes. Those are the stages in sales. So this profession is one of the brightest profession which can earn you money, which can give you a lot of money, a lot of respect, a lot of recognition in your organization, because either you are making money for your organization or you are saving money for some organization or maybe your own organization. Just let me know your thoughts. You can connect me on LinkedIn. You can message me. You can watch my channel, Learn with Purushottam, which is a YouTube channel. You can connect me on Instagram and you can share your thought. And if you want to learn more, you are more than welcome. Because I am on a mission to help at least 1 million people to transform their life and their career. This is Purushottam signing off. Thank you so much.